Hello there everyone, and we thank you for joining us for the Matt's Weather Weekly Weather News. Today is Thursday, December 13th, 2012. And we're coming to you a day later than we normally would, and we do have a little bit of weather to talk about, in the weather department when we talk about the 7-day forecast. But first, we're going to be reading you an article from the 1925 Farmer's Almanac by David A. DeBoll, written in Center Goshen, Connecticut. A little bit of a different Farmer's Almanac than we normally read from. We normally read from the Farmer's Almanacs by Robert B. Thomas, but jumping around a little bit, and we're reading from 1925 Farmer's Almanac by David A. DeBoll today. And okay, January had 31 days. Believe it or not, under this caption, newspapers frequently publish descriptions or illustrations of improbable and seemingly impossible phenomena. The following quotation from one of the most popular and widely used textbooks on astronomy, in use in our academics and high schools until a comparatively recent date, may appropriately be classed under the above heading. A total eclipse of the sun is at once one of the greatest and most awe-inspiring sights it is possible for man to witness. As the eclipse advances, but before the disk is wholly obscured, the sky grows of a dusty, livid, or purple or yellowish crimson color, which gradually gets darker and darker, and the color appears to run over large portions of the sky, irrespective to the clouds. The sea turns lurid red. This signature coloring and darkening of the landscape is quite unlike the approach of night, and gives rise to strange feelings of sadness. The moon's shadow sweeps across the surface of the earth, and is even seen in the air. The rapidity of its motion and its intensiveness produce a feeling that something maternal is rushing over the earth at a speed perfectly frightful. All sense of distance is lost. The faces of men assume a livid hue. Flowers close. Fowls hasten to roost. Crocks crow. Birds flutter to the ground in fright. Dogs whine. Sheep collect together as if apprehending danger. Horses and ox lie down, abstainedly resisting the whip and growed. In a word, the whole animal world seems frightened out of its unusual perpetuity. So basically talking about this month, a total eclipse of the sun, the effect that it tends to have on people and animals. So very interesting there. Okay, and now let's get right to your WFSB Channel 3 early morning 7-day forecast. Tomorrow, Friday, December 14th, mostly sunny in the morning, then mostly sunny and a bit milder, high 48 degrees inland, 49 at the shore. Saturday, mostly sunny in the morning, then increasing cloudiness during the afternoon, high 43 degrees inland, 45 at the shore. Sunday, cloudy with snow, rain, or wintry mix, high 40 degrees inland, 44 at the shore. So this little bit of a wintry mix we're going to be dealing with on Sunday does not look like it's going to be a huge deal at all. Just a little bit of rain and snow mixing, a little bit of rain and light snow mixing in together. Could cause for some slick conditions in the afternoon, but it is not a major storm by any means. Okay, Monday, a chance for snow or rain. High 39 degrees inland, 43 at the shore. Again, that's just a chance for a little bit of snow or rain passing through on Monday, not a big deal. Tuesday, partly sunny, a chance for snow flurries. High 40 degrees inland, 44 at the shore. And the thing we're watching is next Wednesday, December 19th, a chance for rain or snow, windy. High 42 degrees inland, 46 at the shore. So we're looking at the possibility for a little bit of a storm next Wednesday, December 19th. Since that is that date is still a little bit far away right now, it's kind of hard to tell exactly what that storm's going to look like. Nonetheless, it looks like we're going to be dealing with a little bit of a storm next Wednesday. It does not look like a big storm at this point anyway. That could change. We will keep an eye on it for you, and as we get closer to that date next Wednesday, we will bring you any updates as needed. Okay, and we have no guest viewer segment for tomorrow. If you would like to get involved in the guest viewer segment, you can email me at mattsweather1, the number 1, at AOL.com, or any other way that you know to get in touch with me. That'll do it for the Matt's Weather Weekly Weather News this week. We hope you join us next week on Wednesday, December 19th, for the Matt's Weather Weekly Weather News. We'll see you then.